Yeah.
Have a cement structure?
On the outside, at least still, so just the facade.
Yeah.
Look.
I owe you help. As a friendly reminder, all guests must pass through metal detector.
What's up, brother?
What's up, bro?
What's up?
What's happening, man?
What you doing
How
here
you
today?
doing?
I'm pretty good.
Don't rush, you're good. We don't have anything but time today.
Yeah, I think the chief retired or left, and then he. Good morning.
Morning, how you doing?
How's it going?
Good morning.
Morning.
I like your
What's up, coach?
How you doing?
jacket.
You good?
I like your jacket.
Thank you. What's up,
Yo.
coach? Thank you.
Yeah.
I know we looked at it for like. Let's go Sooners!
Here we go, Brownie.
This is stuff you use and no. No, thank you.
Picture.
Yeah.
Hey, but don't say we'll have students coming through.
Yeah, we're Okie student crew, but they graduated from UCF, so we're on the rocket program. All right. 1, 2, 3,
Welcome back, Team 129, to the Palace. Let me hear you! Team 129 will be arriving in 30 minutes. Just a reminder, fans, to stay on the sidewalk until the buses have come to a complete stop on Lindsay. How are we feeling this morning? I think you guys can do better than that. Soda Nation, let me hear you! Team 129 will be arriving in 10 minutes. Just a quick reminder, student fans, when the buses arrive, please stay on the sidewalk until they have come to a complete stop on Lindsay Street, and then feel free to make your way on. So welcome Team 129! Boomer!